Hello everyone, this is Chloe from Cousin DIY here in Largo, Florida. Have you ever wondered what to do with all your Mardi Gras beads? Well, today we have a project for you. We're going to embellish a wooden letter. We chose C for cousin. We're going to upcycle these beads. I, for starters, took some white acrylic paint and I painted my letter white as a base to work from. Then I took some gold nail polish and I went around the edges of my letter with this nail polish. I let it all dry. And the next step is to cover the letter with some tacky glue. Those of you who've worked with tacky glue know it's thick and you can spread it. So let's get started. I'm going to put some globs around on different places on this letter. We want it to be quite thick because we want it to hold our beads. Okay, we'll get started with this amount, and if we need more, we'll add it later. We're going to spread it out all over the surface. I pre-cut a few beads, single beads, because I'll be swirling some beads around a base bead. Mardi Gras beads you'll find they have a section. Where are they? Mardi Gras beads have a section where two beads are joined together, like this. For starters, I cut those off. I'm using flush cutters because Mardi Gras beads are joined by these strings. They're glued into this strand of the string. So by using flush cutters, I can cut real close when I need to cut single beads off. All right, so let me cut those double bead sections off, all these strands. I'm going to take a green bead and I'm going to place it right about here. And I'm going to take a purple strand and I'm going to start swirling that around that base bead. And I'm going to swirl it and swirl it. And I'm getting really close to the edge here, so I'm going to swirl one more swirl. And then I'm going to take my flush cutters and I'm going to cut that off. That's our first swirl. And we'll fill in the other areas afterwards. If you get a little bit of glue on a bead, you can just wipe it off with your finger. And let's see, the next strand we'll do is green. And we'll start with a gold base bead, and we'll do this right around here. And we'll start swirling again. It's helpful to hold the strand in your hand so you can release it as you swirl around on top of the glue. And I see I have some glue spilling over the edge here, so I'm going to take my knife and wipe that away. Don't have to be too fussy because it will dry clear. So we have all our swirls. Next, we're going to fill in between the swirls. So, start with green. You can use the cut off portions that might be left over. Here, I'm going to do this. Use flush cutters. Use some single beads. Edge here, and gold, like I said, there's no right or wrong, just have fun with it. Get in there. We'll continue doing this for the rest of the letter until we fill in between all our swirls.
In the daylight, spending all my nights on the dark side. Somebody help me find a way to get back home. That's it. Somebody help me find a way, help me find a way to get back home. That's it. Somebody help me find a way, help me find a way to get back home. Waiting daylight, get back on my feel right. Waiting daylight, get back, go south on my waiting daylight, get back on my feel right. Waiting daylight, get back, go south on my waiting feel right, go south.
Now, we're going to wait for this to dry. I would guess it probably will take at least a few hours. So we'll come back after lunch and see what we have. Welcome back. Let's see what we have here. Ooh. What do you think? Thanks for joining us. Have fun upcycling your own Mardi Gras beads. Bye.
Day by day I break away. I don't feel right in the daylight, spending all my nights on the dark side. Somebody help me find a way to get